You're doing everything right. Clean dressings, good nutrition, even the best medical care, but the wound still won't heal. What if I told you the reason has nothing to do with the wound itself? What if the real culprit is something invisible, something happening inside your mind? Stress. It's not just a feeling, it's a biological event. And when it comes to healing, it can be the difference between a wound that closes beautifully and one that stays open for months. Today, I'm going to show you how stress hijacks your body's ability to heal, what science says about this connection, and most importantly, what you can do to fix it. By the end of this video, you'll understand why stress isn't just a mental burden, it's a physical wound healing roadblock. You'll learn the real science behind how your brain and immune system are linked. And I'll give you 3 practical, science-backed ways to help your body heal faster. Let's dive in. Let's talk about what stress actually does inside your body. When you're stressed, your brain releases cortisol, the famous stress hormone. And cortisol is great when you're running from a bear, but terrible if you're trying to heal a wound. A study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that elevated cortisol levels reduce the production of cytokines, which are the messengers that tell your body to start repairing wounds. So less cytokines equals slower healing. But it gets worse. Stress also shrinks your blood vessels, which means less oxygen and nutrients get to your wound. And without those, your body can't build the new skin it needs to close the wound. Still not convinced? Let me tell you about one of the most eye-opening studies I've ever read. In 1995, researchers at Ohio State University did a simple but brilliant experiment. They took a group of caregivers, people looking after family members with Alzheimer's disease, which is one of the most stressful jobs on the planet. Then they gave each of them a tiny biopsy wound, a controlled, safe skin wound, to see how long it would take to heal. The results? The caregivers' wounds took 24% longer to heal than the control group, 24%. And that was just from chronic stress, no infections, no other factors, just stress slowing down the body's natural repair system. Now imagine you're already dealing with diabetes, vascular disease, or poor nutrition, and stress is stacking on top of it. That's disaster for wound healing. And it's not just normal stress. A 2020 study in JAMA Dermatology found that patients with PTSD, especially veterans, had significantly higher rates of chronic, non-healing wounds than those without PTSD. The trauma was literally manifesting on their skin. That means if you or someone you know has chronic stress or PTSD, and they also have a wound that just won't heal, this could be part of the answer. So what can you do? If stress is blocking your healing, you need strategies to reduce it. And I'm not just talking about relaxing. You need science-backed, actionable strategies. Here are the top 3. Sleep. Your body heals the most while you sleep. And yet, 1 in 3 adults doesn't get enough. If you're sleeping less than 6 hours a night, your cortisol levels stay high and your wound healing slows down by up to 40%, according to a 2006 study in Sleep Journal. To fix this, focus on getting natural light in the morning, cutting screen time before bed, and keeping a consistent sleep schedule. It sounds simple, but it's biologically proven to help your body repair itself. Stress already puts your body in an inflamed state, but if you add high sugar, processed foods, you're doubling the damage. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who eat high glycemic diets have slower wound healing times because of increased chronic inflammation. So what should you eat? Leafy greens, fatty fish, nuts, seeds, and lean proteins. These foods reduce inflammation and give your body the raw materials it needs to rebuild tissue. Okay, so this one sounds like it belongs in a self-help book, but hear me out. It's backed by real science. A Harvard Medical School study found that people who practiced mindfulness-based stress reduction healed their wounds faster than those who didn't. And all they did was breathe intentionally for 10 minutes a day. You don't need to meditate for hours. Just spend 10 minutes of breathing deeply or focus on the present moment, and your body will naturally lower cortisol levels. That's real medicine. So if you're struggling with a wound that won't heal, don't just look at the wound. Look at your stress levels, your sleep, your diet. The mind and body aren't separate. They're working together every second of the day. Thanks for watching. If this video opened your eyes to something new, check out my next video where I break down the most surprising nutrients you need for fast wound healing. Stay informed and heal well.